Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be showing you guys how to draw a male head shape. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to start with here is the circle. And guys, try to get it as best you can. Next, we're going to draw a vertical line coming from the center of the circle. Now we can start working on the left side of the face. And notice how you can see the jawline a little bit. And that is something you'll see with the male face. As we come down, you can see how the chin squared off. And then we'll put this horizontal line coming across. So we could line up the right side of the face to the left. Alright, cool. So now we could start off doing the left side of the head. And notice when we come up here, you can notice the side of the head is flat. And we kind of cutting through the circle. And we go and just complete the shape on the other side, on the right. And that's something you have to remember, the side of your head is flat, it's not rounded. So we're just using this as a guide, and you can see from the arrows the little bit of space we have left there. Alright, cool, moving on. Okay, so onto the neck. And I know before you guys say anything, hey, why are you working on the neck? Isn't it supposed to be a head shape video? Yes, it's supposed to be a male head shape video. And when it comes to doing the male, you have to focus on the neck, because usually for males the neck a lot thicker. It's a lot wider. So you don't want to have like a certain face structure what we have here and the neck too thin. Usually with females you tend to have thinner necks. So that is why it's important. Alright guys, so you can see right here we put two lines here for the neck. And now you can see what we was talking about. Next we will just show a little bit of the shoulders, but you guys don't really have to worry about this too much. But if you want to think about it, when you're doing the shoulders for male, just think wider and broader. Alright guys, so we finished the sketch for the male head shape. And say if you want to go in here and add, the eye line, the nose line, the mouth line, and do actual character face, you can. But we ain't gonna focus on that because it's not the purpose of this video. But we're gonna kick it into time lapse so you guys can see the final results, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back after the time lapse, and you already know, clean with some tears. But with that being said, we hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.